What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today in North Carolina, it is cold and rainy, so it is a perfect day to wrap the golf cart. So I'm waiting on Bob to get here right now. I'm just finishing up a few little things that I needed to do. There were some holes back here that I filled in with Duraglass, which is like Bondo with fiberglass in it. And I'm just going to wipe it down for him real quick so that when he gets here, it's minimal work for him to do. But hopefully it goes quick because I got some Christmas parties to go to today. So as soon as Bob gets here, I'll introduce you guys and then we'll go ahead and get busy. All right, guys, so Bob is here. He's just laying out how he's going to do the vinyl. I'll introduce you to him in a second. But here it is. Really cool looking. I can't wait to see it on the cart. So we have Bob in here. He is prepping the golf cart right now with a mixture of Simple Green and alcohol, just to make sure that he's got a nice, clean, tacky surface to work with. We have the wrap right here ready to go. And Eric said that Bob would be done in about 20 minutes, but I think it might take a little bit longer than that. So I'll time-lapse a lot of this so that you guys can kind of see the process and how it works. This is going to be the first thing that I've ever seen wrapped. I have seen Bob's work before on Eric Siemens' son's car, so I know he's going to do a fantastic job, and I'm excited to see what this thing looks like when we're done. I'm already regretting the tan seats and stuff like that, so I might look into getting dye for those, or I might just have to buy new black seats, and wheels and tires coming soon. So enjoy the time lapse. We'll get this thing done. All right, so the front half of the golf cart is done. Bob started working on the back half of it. Everything's going pretty smooth. He's just trying to figure out how to lay out everything to minimize seams and minimize the amount of work it's going to take to do. You know, if this was a $100,000 Cadillac or something, I'd tell him to take his time, but I want him to be able to get it done and get home and enjoy his weekend. So we're going to knock out the back half of this thing real quick, and then we'll be done for the day. So what Bob's doing right now is laying down knifeless tape. And how this stuff works is you lay it down where you would normally take a razor blade and cut your vinyl. You lay the vinyl over top of this, and then there's a wire in the middle of this piece of tape. And when you pull it, it cuts the vinyl for you and leaves a really nice clean edge. We were just talking, the guy who invented this stuff is having a good time right now, because I'm sure he made a fortune off of it. All right, so Bob is getting ready to put the last piece of vinyl on. So you can see here on the other side, all wrapped up. And what I'll do this week, or what I'm gonna do tonight, is I'll leave the heat on in here so that this stuff has a chance to adhere to the golf cart. Then I'm gonna paint the roof black this week. I'll get all the trim back on the golf cart. And I'm gonna go ahead and order some wheels and tires for it. It'll look ridiculous with 8-inch beige wheels on it. So go ahead and get those coming, see if I can get them here next week before I leave to go to Michigan for Christmas. It's really cool seeing this whole process happen, and using a heat gun and a torch on the vinyl really makes it change shape, and it'll take out wrinkles, and it really takes some skill to do this stuff. Myself and my buddy Eric, we're going to try to wrap this thing, and I'm really glad that we didn't, because we'd have been out here for days and it wouldn't have looked this good. All right, guys, so that's going to do it. Just set the seat back up there to see how it was going to look with the tan, and it's actually not too bad. I'm probably going to rock the tan seats, and I'll just paint the roof black for now, but definitely got to get some wheels on that thing because it is ugly. Anyway, we've been out here for about 5 hours, and like I said before, it was real interesting to watch Bob work and how he manipulated the film to make it go around different contours and stuff, and he did a really nice job. I'm super excited about it. This golf cart probably didn't deserve that good of a job, but it's done now. I'm going to put everything back together tomorrow and get this thing sitting right, and going to Michigan next week, so you may not see a video from me next week. I'll try to film something while I'm up there just to keep you guys entertained. Be sure also that you check me out on Instagram. I'll put the name of my Instagram page right here. Looking for some more followers over there. I try to post up there daily, just stuff that I'm doing at RPM Motorsports or doing here at the house. Packard, I actually got to work on that today too, so watch for some videos of that thing running very soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.